beat repeat is a very interesting effect that amazingly is also found not just in the suite or standard advanced versions, but even in the intro version of Ableton Live. I'm shutting off all the other effects that I've added. And so that we can actually hear what this is. And one of the more interesting uses of beat repeat is actually, let's hear what it sounds like on the beat first so it becomes more obvious. So I'm shrinking these guys. I'm going to add beat repeat. This time I'm adding it to the entire beat. So we make this smaller. And you can see now the beat repeat. The actual beat looks like this. And I'm going to turn on the beat repeat. As you can hear, it's literally repeating the beat. And it's repeating it every bar. And it's repeating it for 7 segments, right? And the grid size is 1/16. Let's say I want to start it from the beginning. Let's say I want to start it only after 3/16. Can you hear the difference? So when there's an offset, it starts to create a kind of group. 7 is a bit too many, so I'm going to reduce the gate to 5. And this happens every bar. If I make it happen every half bar, then I get a full group. So this is interesting for beats, and you can change in different modes. When you have mix, you're hearing the beat repeat together with the original sound. But if you hear insert, it controls what you hear. If you have gate, it only switches on according to the. Let's hear what this sounds like on a bass. Okay. I will need to make this into 16 so that I actually have enough notes to play with. So if you imagine this is half a bar and these are 16th notes, by right the bass line should be playing on every one of these 16 notes, but instead it's only going to start playing from after the third and it's going to play for 5. Let's make it even more obvious by turning down the number of notes to instead of 5. Right? You can really hear this. And I can make it decay, so even if I have 5 notes, I could make the notes fade out. So that's what this volume decay is for. I can even make the pitch decay. So the pitch diminishes with each note. And if I want some variety, I can increase variations. That kind of like brings it a bit out of control. So that's the beat repeat being used on the bass to give it more variety. I can also use it on the up. What I'm doing here is that imagine this is one bar, so there should be 16 grids, right? But I'm only starting on after the 5th, 16th. Then I'm making it run for only 5 notes. Maybe I'll make it run longer, 7. Don't decay so fast. The last thing I want to show you is how it works on a pad. That's what the natural up sounds like. Huh? Okay, now I'm on the pad. Remember, this pad actually sounds like this. Here where it sounds like repeat on. For a pad, 16 might be too much. So why don't I change the grid to 8 instead? You notice the thing is actually wrapping around because the number of gated notes is actually more than the interval takes. So it wraps around. Now this is its gating. If I mix it in there's some shape on the motion of the pad now, because without it, with it, so this is how you can use beat repeat for many different kinds of instruments, whether it's your beats, whether it's your bass, your up, or your pads. Again, I hope that was useful. Anything else you want to know about beat repeat?